Hi everybody. Welcome to day 1 of New Year Yoga Challenge. Let's learn one pose every day till New Year and continue as a New Year Yoga resolution. Today we are going to learn a pose called tree pose or Vrikshasana. So let's do it together. Let's all stand up, feet together, pull your kneecap up, quadricep tight, pull your belly in, tighten your buttocks. Have your whole body weight uniformly distributed on both of the legs. Now let's shift our body weight on the left leg and lift your right leg up. Turn your right leg so that right knee is pointing in the right direction and turn your right foot like a kickstand on a bike. Have your hands on the hips in the beginning to have the balance. And once you're comfortable here, you can move your right foot just below the knee on the calf. Push the right foot onto the calf and left foot onto the ground and towards the right side so that your hip is not going out, your hip is straight. Once you are comfortable here, you can move your leg to the left inner thigh. Press the right foot firmly onto the inner thigh and press the left foot firmly onto the ground and towards the right foot so that your hip is aligned. Have your gaze in front of you on a stable point which is not moving. Keep breathing. Pull your navel in, tighten your buttocks, and stay here. Balance yourself. Once you feel balanced, you can bring your arms in prayer position in front of your chest. Keep breathing. And once you are comfortable here, you can bring your hands up in a prayer position. Stretch your arms up, but relax your shoulders. Do not stretch your shoulders. Relax your shoulders and smile. To challenge yourself, if this is very easy, you can close your one eye or both of the eyes. Gently relax your hands, relax your leg, and rest it on the mat. Shake your standing leg. For beginners, you can stand against the wall so that your back and hip is supported and you can keep the balance. And then repeat the pose. Okay. Things which you remember, do not put your foot on the knee. Knee is a delicate joint, so just put it below the knee or above the knee. And do not rush it. So if you are keeping the balance like this, just stay here and correct your posture and alignment. Let's try one more time on this side. Shift your body weight on the right leg. Turn your left foot to the left side and bring your leg either below the knee or above the knee, whichever is comfortable. Push the left foot onto the right inner thigh, right leg to the floor, and push the right leg into the left foot so that your right hip do not go out. Tuck your belly in, tighten your buttocks, and hold the posture. Gaze in front of you. Once you are very comfortable here, bring your hands in a prayer position and bring it up. And smile. Keep breathing. If it is very easy for you, you can close your eyes and try to balance. And gently and slowly relax your hands, relax your leg, shake your legs. Please comment, like, share the video, share your pose once you try it. All right, see you next time with a new pose. Bye bye.